Hello, everyone. My name is Josue Saravia, and today I will be discussing California Senate Bill 642, a law focused on strengthening equal pay enforcement and workplace transparency in California. Before I begin, I want to ask a quick question. How many of you think you would immediately know if you were being paid unfairly compared to your coworkers? A lot of workers don't actually realize wage discrimination is happening years later, and that is one of the major reasons why this law was created. California has historically passed some of the strongest labor protection laws in this country, especially regarding workplace equality and employees' rights. Senate Bill 642 was written by Senator Monique Lamont and was created to strengthen California's equal pay laws. The law expands definitions related to wage discrimination, increases transparency protections, and extends the amount of time workers have to file equal pay claims. According to the California Governor's Office, the goal of this law is to strengthen equal pay enforcement and improve accountability within workplace compensation systems. This law was introduced because many labor advocates argued that wage discrimination often remains hidden for years, especially when salary information is private or inaccessible to employees. My thesis is that SB 642 strengthens workplace protections by increasing transparency and accountability. Although critics argue that this law may create financial and legal burdens for employers. But in this presentation, I will discuss both the pros and cons sides of California Senate Bill 642. The strongest pro argument is that SB 642 increases workplace fairness and strengthens protections against pay discrimination. According to the employment law attorneys at CDF Labor Law, unequal compensation practices are often hidden within workplace systems, making it difficult for employees to recognize wage discrimination immediately. The law extends the statute of limitations, giving workers more time to identify patterns of unequal treatment and gather evidence before filing claims. Additionally, legal analysts at Stoker Wagner explained that stronger wage transparency protections help expose what they describe as hidden patterns of wage inequality. Quote. Supporters believe that these protections increase accountability between employee employees and employers while discouraging discriminatory compensation practices. Overall, supporters argue that the law promotes fairness, equal opportunity, and stronger work protections throughout California. And I want to ask another question. Do you think salary transparency creates a fairer workplace environment? Although many people support SB 642, critics also raise an important concern about the law. The strongest con argument is that SB 642 may create financial and legal burdens on employers, especially smaller businesses. According to the employment law attorney at Morgan Lewis, California's extended pay transparency requirements may increase administrative responsibilities and legal compliances costs for employers. Critics also argue that businesses may be required to maintain compensation records for much longer periods of time while also adjusting hiring and wage reporting procedures. In addition to this, opponents believe that the broader legal definitions included within the law may create uncertainty for employers attempting to comply with the updated regulations. Some critics also argue that increased legal risk and compliance costs could discourage hiring or business expansions. So while the law attempts to promote fairness, opponents believe it may unintentionally create operational difficulties for businesses. In conclusion, California Senate Bill 642 represents a more important effort to strengthen equal pay protections and improve workplace accountability throughout the state. Supporters argue that the law promotes fairness and transparency by helping employees identify and challenge discriminatory compensation practices, while opponents believe that the law may increase legal and financial burdens for employers. Although both sides present very valid concerns, I believe that the pro side is immediately stronger because protecting workers and wage discrimination is more important than the additional compliance responsibility businesses may face. Overall, SB 642 reflects California's attempt to create more equitable and transferable workplace environments. Thank you all for listening. And these are my references. Thank you for listening, everybody. Bye for now.